Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sanan. Today I'll be jumping into a topic that is very important to all drivers, and that is how to get the cheapest car insurance in 2025. Prices are rising for just about everything from food to housing and for insurance, especially car insurance. You have probably noticed that your rates are going up every couple of months. So let's jump right into it. First off, let's understand why car insurance rates continue to go higher. According to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, the average cost of insurance in the United States has risen by about 6% in the past year alone. This means if you're not careful, you can end up paying hundreds of dollars more on your car insurance every single year when you don't have to. Now let's talk about the factors that affect your rate. These include your age, your driving record, your credit score, location, and the type of car that you drive. Young drivers, for instance, normally pay higher due to their inexperience. But don't worry, if you're a young driver, these tips will help you as well. And finally, here are some tips to help you snag a better rate on your car insurance in 2025. Tip number 1, shop around. Never settle for the first price. Use a comparison tool to help you compare prices. I have linked one of my favorite comparison tools in the description box below. Always compare as many companies as you can. Going with the first company might not be the best option. You might end up overpaying without even checking the other companies. That is why comparing companies is extremely important. You'll be able to see the prices that they offer and the coverages, and you'll be able to choose which one fits your needs. Also, you will be able to see what different companies charge, and it will give you a range for your particular car in your particular situation. A study by the Insurance Information Institute found that drivers who compare rates can save an average of $400 a year. That's a significant amount of money. So always compare prices and use a tool like the one in the description box below and do everything in one place. Tip number 2, bundle your policies. If you have other insurance needs, such as a homeowner's insurance policy, a renter's, or if you have a motorcycle, a boat, make sure to bundle. This is how you can save even more money. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle. Sometimes you'll be able to save anywhere between 10 to 50%. I have seen people that have one vehicle, they add another vehicle to their policy, and their price is lower for 2 vehicles than it is for 1. So always bundle when you can. Tip number 3, take advantage of discounts. Always ask your insurance company for a discount. It is better to ask and get a discount than to stay quiet and not get any discounts at all. Many insurance companies offer discounts for safe drivers, also for students that have good grades, and a lot of them will give you a discount if you don't drive a lot, the low mileage discount. So definitely ask for all the discounts that you can get. In fact, a report from the National Safety Council suggests that safe drivers can save up to 30% on their premiums. A lot of insurance companies will ask you to download their app or to plug in a device into your vehicle so they can monitor how you drive. The better you drive, the lower your price will be. So definitely take advantage of the mobile app or a plug-in device if you want to save some extra money. Tip number 4, increase your deductible. This one is pretty simple. If you raise your deductible, your insurance cost will be lower. Just make sure you'll be able to pay the deductible if you end up in an accident. For example, if you raise your deductible from $500 to $1,000, you can end up saving anywhere between 10 to 20% on your monthly payment. Obviously, there are a lot of pros and cons when it comes to raising a deductible, but in my personal experience, what I do is I look at the vehicle. If the vehicle is old and is not worth a ton of money, I raise that deductible. But if I have a brand new vehicle, best believe I will have the lowest possible deductible. Tip number 5, maintain a good credit score. Believe it or not, your credit score plays a huge factor in determining how much you pay for car insurance. Before, nobody cared about your credit score. Now it is extremely important. Drivers with excellent credit pay up to 30% less than those with poor credit. So definitely take steps to improve your credit if you want lower premiums. 30% is a huge discount. That means if you were paying $100 a month, if your credit is good, you'll be able to pay $70 a month, which is a huge amount of money that you'll be saving, especially over time, month after month, year after year. So definitely take a look at your credit score. Now here's something that many people overlook, and that is regularly reviewing your policy. Life changes and so does your policy. You may end up moving, you may end up getting a different vehicle, your credit score might go up, you might qualify for a particular discount. Always review your policy, always shop around. What I like to do every 3 to 4 months, I shop around for different policies. I compare rates and I always go with the cheaper one that gets me the coverage that I need. I've seen a lot of people go 1 year, 2 years, 3 years without comparing rates, without shopping around. Next thing you know, they're paying 3-4 times the amount that they could be paying with a different company. So always review your policy and shop around. And as inflation continues to rise, best believe the price of car insurance will rise as well. So it is very important to lock in those cheap prices, compare rates, and get the coverage that you need. So if you want to compare rates all in one place, compare multiple car insurance companies, I highly suggest you check out the link in the description box below. Use that tool to find you the best rates on insurance. So there you have it, a few tips that can help you save money on your car insurance in 2025. If you found the video helpful, make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below and let me know how much you're saving. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.